When you open up Stingy Lantern and you clone it, you're presented with a code base. And the first thing to realize about this code base, it is a bit, it's hosted on something like JSBin, but instead of hosting just client-side code, it's now also hosting a lot of other files that allow this app to function as a client-server application, meaning that not only does it show client-side functionality, but it also communicates with a server that's running within your glitch application. And so the files that allow this client server application to run are all located here, and a lot of them are about the server side, which, like the server.js, contains the main code that runs the server, that works with a little small database and communicates back to the client. And a lot of the other files associated with the server include this folder, the controllers folder, this private folder. But then you also have the client-side code, the type of code that you've been working with, which is included in this fuse folder, where you have an index.html and unauthorized.html, as well as this public folder where you have a client.js and a style.css file. And the only code that you are going to need to actually edit in this whole project is in client.js. This is where you're going to be working exclusively, is in this particular file. All the other files in the application, or the majority apart from the ones in views, are related to the server. And your client, the way you're going to modify this file is to um, allow your client to communicate with the code base on the server. So again, the only file you're going to need to work with in this application is the client.js file.